When we practice mindfulness, we often notice that our minds get hijacked by the relentless stream of sensations, thoughts, and emotions. We may be able to focus our attention on the meditation anchor, such as breath or a specific sensation for a shorter or longer period, but eventually we get distracted. It is, of course, completely natural for our minds to wander. And in meditation practice, we simply learn to bring our attention back to the anchor every time it drifts off. Today, however, we will simply observe how our minds are pulled in various directions using a metaphor of observing these sensations, thoughts, and emotions as if they were colorful fish swimming in the calm blue waters of the awareness itself. I hope you will find it an interesting and perhaps a bit amusing experience. I invite you to find a comfortable position, either sitting, standing, or lying down, ensuring your back is straight and body as relaxed as possible. If it's comfortable for you, you can close your eyes. That helps you fully turn inwards. And if you decide to keep your eyes open, let the gaze be soft and relaxed. Once you found the best position, let yourself fully settle into the seat or the surface, feeling how it supports your body in this moment. Notice how your body is securely held by the gravity. And just allow the full weight of your body to sink into the surface. Feeling fully the contact of your feet or legs with the ground as well. Start slowly by taking some deep breaths, feeling how the chest and the belly expand with the inhale and then deflate with the exhale. Letting the breath become slower and deeper. Noticing the sensations in the body associated with breathing. Perhaps you can sense a cool flow of air in your nose, maybe a ticklish sensation in your throat, or simply the movement of the chest and belly. If following the breath is pleasant for you, you can select to focus your attention in the area where it is easiest to detect. Then let your breath return to its usual pace and simply observe it for a short while in silence, paying attention only to breathing without trying to control or change it in any way. For some of us, breathing may be difficult or simply unpleasant to focus on. In that case, it is just as powerful to focus on other sensations. This could be sounds present in your environment, or neutral or pleasant sensations in the body. Perhaps the warmth or tingling sensations in the hands or feet. So let your attention focus on the anchor that is most pleasant and easy for you to focus on. Could be breathing in and out, noticing the natural soundscape in your surroundings, or feeling the sensations in your feet or hands. Still lightly focusing attention on your favorite anchor, the breath, sensations in the body, or sounds. Start noticing if your mind is naturally slowing down. Perhaps it is still very busy with racing thoughts. That's okay. Let your mind calm down to the extent it is possible for you today. There is no right or wrong way to do this, and you can go in your own pace. Breathing, noticing sensations, listening to the sound, and perhaps when the next distracting thought, emotion, or sensations arrives, notice it as if it was a small, colorful fish swimming through the water in front of your eyes. Just imagine the size, the color, the movement in any way that suits you, that seems appropriate. There's no need to identify with the fish of your emotion or a thought. You don't have to make any judgments about how it looks or how fast it swims by. Just observe it, just notice. And once that particular thought, sensation, or emotion disappears into the depths of your awareness, you can simply return to the breathing, chosen sensation in the feet or hands, or perhaps sounds, allowing the mind to slow down again, getting more relaxed and calmer quite naturally. This process of noticing a distraction, a new fish in the sea of awareness, appear and swim away, may have to be repeated many times. There is no hurry in making the sea free of the fishes. They make our life colorful and vibrant. We do not want to get rid of them. We simply wish to notice and appreciate our capacity to return to the calm and peace, whatever appears in our mind. So continue noticing what appears in your mind as you gently focus attention on the breath, the sounds, the sensations in your body. Imagine whatever comes up as a colorful fish swimming by in the calm water of your awareness, if this is helpful. Simply staying present with whatever is happening in the moment, without judging it, controlling, or wishing it away. Let's practice in silence for a short while. Let your own imagination guide you while you pay attention to any sensation, thought, emotion, or sound appearing and disappearing. Remembering to breathe in and out, releasing any tension, letting the mind calm down naturally. I invite you now to take a deep breath and notice the current state of your body, heart, and mind. Has anything changed as you allowed yourself to wonder and imagine sensations, thoughts, and emotions swim by like colorful fish? Have you found yourself deeper in the stillness of water with less distractions? Or perhaps you noticed your mind become busier. The effect of mindfulness can be very different from day to day. It is usually helping our minds calm down and the body relax, but not always. As long as you can notice what is happening for you and you can shift your attention back to the calmness of the breathing, back to the present moment, you are practicing mindfulness. Before finishing for today, take a few deep breaths again, letting the chest and belly fully expand with each inhale. And then exhale slowly. Breathe in deeply and exhale slowly. And when you're ready, in your own time, slowly open your eyes if you had them closed, letting the light in. Perhaps move and stretch the body and return fully to your surroundings. I hope you enjoyed this playful way of imagining distractions as colorful fish swimming in the sea of awareness. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more recordings like this one, and remember that your comments and suggestions are always appreciated. Many thanks for listening and have a wonderful day.